Today we discuss MCQs on the chapter The Living World. The first one is defining property of living organism is reproduction, metabolism, consciousness, cell division. Right one is option C, consciousness. The statement nothing lives forever yet life continues illustrate the role of embryogenesis, morphogenesis, replication, reproduction. The right one is option D, reproduction. Linnaeus used the title for his publication his Systema Naturae, Genera Naturae, Altis Vortex, Die Nature, Lichen, Frangia. Right option is option A, Systema Naturae. Next, 4. In binomial nomenclature, the first and second components represent option A, genus and species, option B, genus and class, C, species and genus, D, kingdom and class. Right one is option A, genus and species. 5. First book of botany, Historia Plantarum, was given by Epidacandol, Theophrastus, Aristotle, none of these. Right one is option B, Theophrastus. 6. Term biology was introduced by Aristotle, Darwin, John Ray, Lamarck and Treviranus. Right one is option D, Lamarck and Treviranus. Next, 7. As we go lower from kingdom to species, the number of common characteristics goes on. Option A, increasing, B, remain unchanged, C, decreasing, D, sometimes decreasing. Right one is option A, increasing. 8. Systematics takes accounts breeding relationship between organisms, evolutionary relationship between organisms, economic relationship between organisms, none of these. Right one is evolutionary relationship between organisms. Taxon represents rank of classification, basic unit of classification, both of these, none of these. Rank of classification. 10. In taxonomy, the first step is identification, nomenclature, classification, affinities. Right one is identification. Term classification was given by Norman E. Borlaug, Tansley, Epidacandol, none of these. Right one is Epidacandol. Which of the following taxonomic categories contains organisms least similar to one another? Right one is class. Species living in different geographical areas are called allochronic, allopatric, sympatric siblings. Allopatric species. Right one is allopatric species, option B. Next, 14. Species is considered as basic unit of classification, largest unit of classification, artificial concept of human mind, none of these. Right one is as basic unit of classification. Genera Plantarum was given by Engler and Prandtl, Epidacandol, Bentham, Hooker, none of these. Right one is option C, Bentham, Hooker. Linnaeus put similar species into a larger group called species, family, kingdom, genus. Right one is genus. The word ending with ACEAE indicates genera, family, order, class. Right one is option B, family. 18. The category that includes related order is family, phylum, class, kingdom. Right one is option C, class. Term phylum was given by option A, Haeckel, B, H.G. Lamb, C, Eichler, D, Linnaeus. Right one is option A, Haeckel. Father of Indian taxonomy, Ajoy Phadke, Henry Santapau, Hargobind Khorana, Chanukha. Right one is option B, Henry Santapau. Largest herbarium in the world situated in Kew, Los Angeles, Johannesburg, Brazil. Right one is option A, Kew. Herbarium seed size 29 by 41.5 cm, 29 by 40 cm, 30 by 20 cm, 20 by 20 cm. Right one is 29 by 41.5 cm. Option A. Father of botany, Aristotle, Theophrastus, Karl Florenz, none of these. Right one is Theophrastus. Which of the following provide information of any one taxon? Right one is monograph. The collection of preserved plants and animals for study and reference is called museum. Keys, herbarium, flora. Right one is option A, museum. Thank you.